After quoting for cheaper than French gunmaker next in a government tender to supply the Indian Army with 1,580 artillery guns, Israeli firm Elbit Systems has written to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, sweetening its offer by promising to build 70% of the weapon in India. That is significantly higher indigenization than the 50% required for Make in India projects. The Ministry of Defence tender requires Elbit Systems to supply the first 400 of its ATHOS 155 mm, 52 caliber towed artillery guns in fully built or knocked down condition, with no indigenization requirements. The remaining 1,180 guns, which the Ordnance Factory Board, OFB, has to manufacture with transfer of technology from Elbit, must be at least 50% made in India.
India plans to launch a major Rs 10,500 crore project to indigenously develop 6 airborne warning and control system aircraft, which act as powerful eyes in the sky to look deep into enemy territory in modern-day warfare. Defence sources on Wednesday said the project, which entails mounting indigenous 360-degree coverage AESA, active electronically scanned array, radars on 6 aircraft acquired from Air India, is set to soon get the initial approval or acceptance of necessity by the Rajnath Singh-led Defence Acquisitions Council. The new project, which will involve cost sharing between the IAF and DRDO, is actually a recast of an earlier plan to mount the indigenous AESA radar on 2 new Airbus A330 wide-body jets, which was hanging fire for the last 5 years. Under the new project, DRDO will acquire 6 smaller A320 variants from the existing Air India fleet, get the airframes modified, and then mount the radars on them. This project for 6 AWACS or Advanced AEW&C, Airborne Early Warning and Control, aircraft will be much more cost-effective than the earlier one of acquiring 2 new A330s from the European multinational company. DRDO has promised to deliver the 6 AWACS in a 4 to 7 year time frame.
INS Sarayat, which is sister-class ship of INS Arihant, will be ready for induction in Indian Navy by this year since it is nearing its sea trials, while biggest technological achievement of the Indian Navy, and to India's nuclear triad will be that the nuclear ballistic missile submarine, was only known by its internal code name as S4, is ready for its sea trials by end of this year. S4 is an extended Arihant class design that has twice the weapons carrying capability than the Arihant class. S4 can carry 8 K4 SLBM with a range of 3,500 km or 24 K15 SLBM, with a range of over 800 km in its 8 vertical launch tubes. As per the report, S4 sister class ship called S4 Star will be ready for sea trials by 2022 and induction by 2024. S4 and S4 Star will be SSBMs, which largely will be getting K4 and K5 SLBM missiles, while Arayat and Arihant will be limited to shorter K15 SLBMs. K5 SLBM is a new missile which is yet to be tested, and reportedly has a range of 5,000 km, while DRDO already got approvals to design and develop K6 SLBM, which has a range of 8,000 km with more weapons payload, to be armed on S5 class nuclear ballistic missile submarines, which India plans to construct after completion of S4 Star.